Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications for your REALME C30. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here we want to find an app called NotifyBuddy. Now let's select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here let's move to the next step and grant the app two permissions. First is overlay permission, so let's allow it. Next is notification permission, and here we just need to allow notification access for this app. Last is battery optimization, and you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step. Click accept. And here we can start using this app. So there's 4 tabs. First one is the user, so select any app to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. You can even select all of them. In the system you can find all system bound apps. In the active you can find apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its LED light color, the time between blinking, shape or size, placement on the screen, but some of the options are locked behind the premium version. So let's click on the test, got it, and here we can find this LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.